Yamaha has at last made a formal announcement about the availability of supplemental parts to transform the XSR900 into a fully outfitted vintage classic motorcycle. Yamaha have treated their 3-cylinder XSR900 retro motorbike to a new mini front fairing and rear seat cover, said to be inspired by the smoking 500 and 250 Grand Prix racers of the 1970s and 80s. Yamaha Europe made this announcement with the London, England launch as its major priority. The most recent model of the XSR900 is under the category of heritage sport motorcycles with classic styling, and features a front fairing and seat coverings that will give it a genuinely vintage appearance. To make things even better, Yamaha has introduced a special retro kit just for the XSR900 exclusively. It's simply called Racer, and as you'd expect, it gives the XSR900 the retro racer aesthetic, drawing inspiration from 1980s racing machines. The kit consists of two main components: the sporty headlight covers and seat covers, both of which contribute to the bike's overall retro-inspired aesthetic. One of the standout features of the XSR900 Racer kit is the sporty headlamp covers. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, these components capture the essence of vintage Yamaha motorcycles. It emulates the iconic design elements that made Yamaha motorcycles famous in the past, evoking a sense of nostalgia and classic style. Yamaha has announced that the retro kit for the XSR900 will be easily accessible for purchase both online and at Yamaha authorized distributors in Europe, starting June 2023. This means XSR900 owners will have the opportunity to easily acquire and install the retro kit, turning their motorbikes into throwback styles to the iconic Yamaha machines of the past.